I just nakita ko lang part sa allegations. Nakakainis.
Bakit po?
Kasi I am pro Duterte. That's why naiinis ako doon sa mga allegations na sinasabi nila na the victims are being ano yun? Parang takot sila doon sa Pilipinas dahil inaano daw sila ng mga Duterte fanatics. I don't want the word fanatics because we think hindi kami sunod-sunod lang na walang prinsipyo. So, and they called us clones. Gumagawa daw si President Duterte ng mga clones. I don't want the terms used there.
As of now, tita, you're positive na mapapawala ang sala po si tatay?
I have a motto in life. Hope for the best, expect for the worst. And I have followed some decisions of the ICC, and I think I should implement this motto. Kaya I am expecting the worst, but I am hoping for the best.